YouTube is amazing. It's a place to share your passions. It's a platform to build a community. And yes, it can even make you money. But growing a successful YouTube channel takes work. Don't worry though, I'm here to give you proven tips. These tips will help you succeed in 2023 and beyond. Starting a YouTube channel is easier than ever. You just need a camera and an idea. But growth requires strategy. You need engaging content. You need to understand your audience. And you need to adapt to YouTube's ever-changing algorithms. Think of YouTube as a giant library. Millions of videos are competing for attention. How can you make yours stand out? That's what we'll cover in this essay. Get ready to learn the secrets of YouTube success. Content is the heart of your YouTube channel. It's what brings viewers in and keeps them coming back. Your videos should provide value. They should entertain, educate, or inspire. What are you passionate about? Share that passion with the world. Before you hit record, think about your target audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests? Once you know your audience, you can create content tailored to them. High-quality video and audio are crucial. Viewers are more likely to stick around if your video looks and sounds good. You don't need fancy equipment to get started. Just make sure your video is well lit and your audio is clear. Finally, keep your videos concise and engaging. Attention spans are short online. Get to the point quickly and keep your viewers hooked. With millions of channels on YouTube, finding your niche is crucial. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest. It helps you target a specific audience and stand out from the crowd. Think about your passions and expertise. What are you knowledgeable about? What do you enjoy talking about for hours? Your niche should be something you're genuinely interested in. Once you have a niche, research your competition. What are other creators in your space doing well? What can you do differently? Your unique perspective is your strength. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your niche over time. As you create more content, you'll learn what resonates with your audience. Pay attention to the comments and feedback you receive. Section 4. Optimization is key. Help YouTube understand your content. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to optimize your videos for YouTube's search algorithm. This means using the right keywords and tags so people can find your videos. Start with keyword research. What are people searching for on YouTube related to your niche? Use tools like Google Trends and YouTube's search bar to find relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Don't stuff keywords just for the algorithm. Focus on creating informative and engaging content for your viewers. Another crucial aspect of optimization is your video thumbnail. It's the first thing viewers see, so make it eye-catching and relevant to your content. A compelling thumbnail can significantly impact your video's click-through rate. Section 5. Engagement and promotion. Boost your visibility. Engagement is key to growing your YouTube channel. Respond to comments, answer questions, and build a community around your content. When viewers feel connected, they're more likely to subscribe and share your videos. Promote your YouTube channel on other social media platforms. Share your videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other platforms where your target audience hangs out. Cross-promotion can significantly expand your reach. Collaborating with other YouTubers is a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Find creators in your niche and propose collaboration ideas that benefit both of you. Guest appearances, joint videos, and shoutouts can introduce your channel to a whole new set of viewers. Consistency is key to YouTube success. Upload regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Create a content calendar and stick to a schedule that works for you. Section 6. Your YouTube journey starts today. Starting a YouTube channel can be daunting, but don't let that stop you. The most important step is to start creating. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn, and evolve your content as you go. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. There will be challenges along the way, but don't get discouraged. Stay consistent, engage with your audience, and never stop learning. The world of YouTube is constantly changing, but the fundamentals of creating valuable content and connecting with your audience remain the same. Embrace the journey, have fun, and let your creativity shine. What are you waiting for? Start creating today.